Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Simran, an analyst, currently working in a data world, and today I'm going to walk you through one of the most essential and underrated tool in Excel, the line chart. Whether you're tracking revenue, user growth, or any time-based trend, line charts are the best friends. And trust me, we'll use them more often than you think, even at the top consulting firms. So let's get into it. Let's take a practical scenario. You're analyzing monthly sales and profit for a company, and here's your sample data. We'll use this to plot a line chart and compare how sales and profit behave over time. To insert the chart, you can select the table, go on to the Insert tab, and then click on Recommended Charts option. Now, before we move forward, let me show you something important that many beginners overlook. When I clicked on recommended charts, Excel show me a few options that might work for the dataset. But here's the thing. Not all of them actually make sense for the insight I want. Some of these may look cool visually, but they don't always communicate the message clearly. That's why it's important to first ask yourself, what I am trying to show, is it a trend over time? Or is it a comparison between categories? Or I'm trying to show parts of a whole? Only when you know what story you want the data to tell, you can choose the right chart, whether it's a line, bar, pie, or anything else. In this case, we want to show trend over time, so a line chart makes the most sense. So yes, Excel can help, but your analytical mind matters more. Recommended charts are just suggestions, not decisions. Once we insert the data, Excel gives us a basic view, but we'll enhance it. Now we can clearly compare both sales and profit across the months. These markers are especially useful when you're presenting to management or clients. Now let's analyze this. Notice how profit clearly follows the sales trend. That indicates a healthy margin. But look here. In March, sales dipped. So did profit. That's a red flag. Possibly seasonality or poor conversion. Always highlight these key points. It will make your report more actionable. Line charts are everywhere in real world analysis. We use them for tracking revenue across months, visualizing marketing spend over time, monitoring website traffic trend, and forecasting future metrics like leads or demands. In consulting or analytics, you will often be asked to give trends. Line charts are the first thing that comes to mind. Now, here are the few best practices to follow. Always keep time on x axis, metrics on the y. Avoid using more than 2 to 3 lines in a one chart. Label your lines clearly. Be cautious with your x-axis scaling. It should not mislead. And always choose consistent time intervals like monthly, weekly, or quarterly. Now, the question is why Excel still matters. Even with Python and Power BI, Excel remains a foundational skill. As an analyst, I still rely on Excel for fast insights, reports, dashboards, and client decks. So, if you're starting your data journey, master this tool first and then move on to other dashboarding tools. That was your quick but powerful guide to line charts in Excel. Do comment below what kind of chart do you struggle with the most, or if there's a chart you want me to explain in the next video. And don't forget to check the previous videos in the series, bar chart, radial chart, and a waterfall chart. They are super useful. Subscribe if you found this helpful